Hello Toyota lovers, today I want to show you how to switch off oil maintenance reminder. Let's go! Hello Toyota lovers, today I want to show you what to do if you see on your display oil maintenance reminder. Uh, I switch on the engine. There coming reminder, oil maintenance required soon. So if you do nothing, this message still on the display all the time when you're driving, no matter how many minutes you're driving, the 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour is still there. You can press once a button on your driving wheel, which is called DISP, that means display. I press once and then message disappear, but every time when you start engine the message coming back and coming back. It's only one way to switch off definitely. So off engine. Next to the display is a small button. It's somewhere right here. It's dark, it's difficult to see. Press and hold, then press twice, but don't press any pedals. Press twice start button, start stop button. 1, 2. There you see the dash on the screen. Hold it until disappear the last one. That's it. Let's check. I switch off the engine. Actually, ignition, not the engine, sorry. Then press again. No, it's all done. It's 10,999 miles to the next oil maintenance required. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget subscribe and like, of course. Bye bye.